Well, hello guys, it's Jenny, and we need to talk about this dove again, because I think we can get it for free. If you haven't gotten it already, well, you know you want to know. So come on, let's talk about it. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, like I said, I think we can get this for free. So make sure you like the video, leave us a comment or an emoji before it's over with, and let's talk about how we can get this for free. Oh yeah, we've got digital coupons, and they're double dipping. And we've got a $3 off of one body wash, a $2 off of body wash, a $3 off of 10, and a $1 off of one store coupon. Now this is a glitch deal because, well, I won't say, it looks like a glitch deal. And it's highly possible it's not a glitch deal, because the other store coupons are attaching to two different items, so they're not attaching to the same items. So I think that's why we're able to get this for this phenomenal price. But what I wanted to tell you, because I've already told you this part, but if you missed it, these are the coupons. Make sure you go clip them, and let's do this deal today, as soon as possible, because the product is going to be gone. And these products are going to be found probably on the clearance aisle. If not, go check the shelf. They may still be on the shelf in the store, particularly the Dove Love. So you're going to pick up both of these Dove products. But before you go, I want you to go into Shopminium. If you do not have the Shopminium app, go download it from your Play Store and select these items, the Dove items, because you're going to get that same amount of money back. Yes, going to pretty much pay for it for free. So yeah, because as it sits right here, you're paying less than $3. It's like $2.80 for these two. Now, there is an overage coupon out. It is the Crest $3 off of 2. You pick up 2 Crest Bright and Clean toothbrushes. Those are $1 a piece, and you're going to get $1 in overage in an older operating system store. Other than that, they're just going to be free items. But you can use that overage towards this. So now we're down to $1.80. And when you do that rebate, even if you don't do a Shopminium rebate and just do a Fetch rebate, this is even going to get cheaper. So even if you just get back $2 on the Shopminium rebate, and I could not get into the Shopminium app for some reason to see what the actual rebate was, but go and select it, because you have to have those pre-selected. Okay? And when you get it, go scan your receipt, and you're going to get this stuff for it's almost free as it is without all the steps. But if you want to get it dirt cheap, yeah, do it. Do the Shopminium rebates, and then do a Fetch rebate. And if you don't have Shopminium, don't want to do Shopminium, do Fetch. So you're going to end up paying like, what, $1.20 an item if you do Fetch and only get your quarter back, which I think you'll get more than that, because Fetch is paying on Dove. So yeah, winner. I just wanted to touch bases with you again and let you know, don't miss out on the Dove free deal, because we're not getting a whole lot of free
today. We got a lot of
super duper stuff like this anymore, like we used to.
And
so go stock
I want to point
up,
something
use
out
all
to
your
you guys
accounts, do it
that,
now.
Well,
so
maybe
blessings.
we made our
we'll
point.
talk again real soon, because I'm hoping
So,
to find you more
come on,
steals
let's
and glitches.
Go check
and
that out.
We're going to have
We've got
a
so many
video
good
coming
coupons
up
today. We
about
got a lot
what's
of good
free
coupons, and we've got a
at the
glitch with some
DG,
overage.
because
And
you can use that
I
dollar
want to point something out to
overage
you
in an
guys
older operating
that,
system store
well,
to get
maybe
an
we made our
absolutely free
point.
transaction, depending on what you
So,
get.
Come on.
So blessings,
Go,
and we'll talk
go check
again
that
real
out.
soon about free stuff. Okay, first thing I want